Hey guys! So this is Keisha rocking out her new oven in her new place. She's cooking up some barbecue chicken.
Tandoori. But it's true.
So good job, Keisha.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
It's all in there.
No children around before we close it. Oh, oh. No, Emmett! It was children proof. Okay.
She's all set and ready to go.